made famous by the poet, novelist and historian Sir Walter Scott in his epic novel The Lady of the Lake, which he published in 1810. When it was published, it went on to sell 25,000 editions in its first 8 months, making it what you would call today a blockbuster novel. But you've got to remember, it was the days before TV, radio and the internet, and the written word was incredibly powerful, as were Scott's descriptions that he wove into his novel. It's written in cantos, 6 cantos, and it's written in verse. In canto number 1, the author describes a deer hunt down the north shore of the Loch, where James Fitzjames gets lost and separated from his hunting party. He encounters the enigmatic Helen Douglas that lives in Ellen's Isle, and a love story unfolds. There's a lot more to it, and it's well worth having it a read if you get the chance of The Lady of the Lake. But alongside Samuel Taylor Coleridge, the Wordsworths, Joe Verne and Sir Walter Scott, you can see why so many people came to Loch Katrine to marvel at the landscape they'd read about over the years. In Scott's novel The Lady of the Lake, it was used as various lyrics for songs over the year, including Ave Maria.
Raining again.
Raining. Scotland's in June.